आर नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीवन, बट एक बहुत बड़ा एलिगेशन जब हो जाता है, जब किसी के रिलेशनशिप को भी खास तौर पे भाई बहन के रिलेशनशिप पर बोला जाता है। और करण मेहरा ने जो एलिगेशंस लगाए हैं वो कुछ इसी तरीके से है। उन्होंने कहा है कि जिनको आप भाई बोलती थी, आप उन्हीं के साथ में रिलेशनशिप में थी, और ये सब उनके आंखों के सामने पीठ पीछे हो रहा था।
No, he is lying about it. He's lying about it. The way he's saying it is completely wrong. And I think that, again, like I said, that कुछ चीज़ें बहुत complicated होती है उनको समझाना इस तरीके से, and therefore I don't want to even touch that topic. I've already said जो मैं कर रही हूँ उसके लिए मैं answerable नहीं हूँ किसी को. As far as I'm not hurting anybody, everything is okay. This is what I feel. I don't want to comment on someone else here. Today I'm here to talk about me. तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी ही ज़ुबानी फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दूंगी. I don't have the right to talk about someone else's family or to quote anybody. I will let see, everyone is an adult. मैं किसी की representative नहीं हूँ. जिनको अपने लिए बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था, like you said, so now also he can talk and you can reach out and talk. I'm not gonna represent anybody. I'm only representing myself here today. So any questions directly pertaining to me जो मुझे लगेगा I can answer, I'll be happy to answer.
You also said कि कुछ लोग हैं जो बीच में कूद गए, उन लोगों ने भी बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
I'll come to that point. I'll come to that point.
Okay, ठीक है, आप आइए.
I'll come and then we'll take that question.
You want to talk about yourself and you are representing yourself.
Yes.
So this technically concerns you. What is the nature of your relationship with him? Because Karan has accused you of being in a relationship with him. So if you can just clear the air.
So I feel it's not pertaining to the case. It's not important for me to clear the air, and only because Karan has put an allegation on me, he'll tomorrow say that he wants the moon, or he'll say Nisha went and got the sun or ate it up, or he'll say anything out of his whims and fantasies. I can't give a reply to everything he says, and I'm not comfortable sharing certain things about my life because I don't think that I'm answerable for those areas of my life. Everybody has the right to draw a boundary around them, and I think I should also be given that right. Only because I'm a public figure and we are in this open communication where people can ask me questions doesn't mean that I have to answer every question. So I'll just like to respectfully, not take up this question.